Crypto God here, and today we have Gleb of Good Crypto. Good morning, good evening, and good night, Gleb. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Of course. So you have this app, Good Crypto. Tell me about it.
This is Good Crypto is a perfect tool for anyone who participate in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. I mean, any investor, any trader can get a lot of value from that. So Good Crypto is a portfolio management application available on iOS, Android, and web. So you can connect 30 exchanges and 5 blockchains to your Good Crypto account, and you will track all the information coming from these sources. And also, you will be able to trade on any exchange connected. And the main thing here, the main benefit is that Good Crypto allows you to use advanced tools that are not available on the exchanges. There are a lot of related to trading, a lot of related to analysis, and a lot of related to tracking of your performance. It's brief description.
You know, it's pretty cool because I'm looking at it right now, and it tells me the worth of the project. It tells me how well it's doing based upon the trend. It shows the chart. It shows where the coin ranks overall. And from the looks of it, it shows, like thousands of cryptos.
Actually, it's the best thing for crypto participant of the crypto ecosystem, because right now each of us have a lot of coins on different exchanges, different wallets, and all this information is analyzed separately, right? And the majority of us previously created the spreadsheets with all this information, changes in the ROI and profits. But with Good Crypto, you must not do this. The application will do this for you. Just connect, and everything will be stored here. Everything will be analyzed, and you will be able to manage everything from one place. It can be your smartphone, or it can be your laptop. Everything is connected and works smoothly.
Yeah, it looks like you can set up alerts for specific currencies as well.
Actually, we have the main thing here is we have unique alerts. You can place an alert on new exchange listing, for example. And the exchanges, before the listing, they create pages for trades. For example, like new coin is going to be launched, and the exchange create a page with trading pair, but the trading was not launched on Twitter, on other social medias. And we parse all this information and provide this info to our users, and they have a little time to purchase this coin, for example, before Coinbase listing, and make some profit on the pump. Yeah, and also we have alerts for price, for technical indicators, and of course for order execution, which is a unique thing. In other apps of such type, there are no such alerts and such versatility of applications.
That's pretty great, man. I'm looking at it, and it looks like a phenomenal service, man. I think anybody with a very wide array of anything that's listed in these 5 exchanges that you have, right? Well, 5 blockchains, right? That you got going on. This would be like, say, for instance, if you have some Ethereum, you have some Cosmos, you have some IOTA, some Litecoin, some Bitcoin, you got Tether, all these other things, then you can track it here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right, absolutely. And each transaction, each price change is tracked. So, for example, you made a lot of transactions from your wallet, and everything is tracked properly here. And also, of course, if you hold some ERC20 tokens or maybe some Ethereum, right, and the price changed, everything is available live. The price chart of all your portfolio from all the sources is available with crypto. It is very useful actually for people who trade on several exchanges, have several wallets, and it's like mess when someone asks you how much value do you hold in crypto, and you owe around 10K or maybe around 1,000, maybe around 1 million. You don't know, right? And with Good Crypto, you will know for sure, because everything is absolutely accurate. Yeah,
you'd be able to adequately evaluate your portfolio in an instant.
Yeah, and also you can immediately perform some actions if they are related to exchanges. For example, you see that there is a pump of a coin you hold, right? And you receive alert notification from Good Crypto about that, you can go immediately and like place an order to sell this coin. And the main thing is that you can sell not only with limit orders, but you can place a trailing stop order that will enable you to get as much profit as possible. For example, you place right now Bitcoin is 32K, right? You place a trailing stop order setting that I wanted to sell Bitcoin at 35, but if it goes higher, I wanna go with trend, and the application understands it. And when Bitcoin reach 35K, the trailing is activated, and if Bitcoin goes up, I mean price, you will go with the price, and you can sell like at 38, like 40K. If Bitcoin immediately experience a dump, the application will just sell at 35. Yeah, so it is the main thing for crypto holders and investors, because all the time the huge greed is our feeling, right? And you don't know where exactly you should sell or purchase something, and trailing orders can be very, very helpful in that.
So it pretty much, you can set it up to where it will sell for you at a specific point. Am I understanding that correctly?
Yeah. So you first of all, you set up a specific level when you wanna, like, minimum profit you wanna get. Mm-hmm. But if the price goes upper, yeah, you go with that. Application won't sell your position if the trend is going up. So you go with trend. And if Bitcoin reach 100K, you will go with trend. But the application will sell only in case if Bitcoin goes lower than your level initially stated, like 35K.
So it pretty much yeah. Like you could set it up, you could go to bed and know it's not going to dip below your safe point.
Yeah, and the main thing is that you know that you can get even more profit initially stated, so you won't lose some momentum, right? Because previously there were moments when I sold the token at one price, and then this token made X2, right? Or maybe like 300%. Why I did this? I should have hold it for a longer time, right? Mm-hmm. But with trailing stop, it's like this problem resolved. Yeah, you just program order and it will do for you. And it works also in the like vice versa. You can purchase Bitcoin when it goes down, for example, like now. You can set the price level, and if Bitcoin is pumped, the application will purchase it. But if Bitcoin price goes lower and lower and lower, the order will go with the trend. And then only when the market will recover, the application will purchase Bitcoin. So in this case, you will also don't need to stick closely to $1 cost averaging strategy. The application just do it for you.
So pretty much it takes all the stress out of having to babysit your charts.
Yeah.
That's smart. You're a smart guy, Gleb.
Thank you.
That's it's very cool. I like that.
We just actually created the solution for our problems. There is nothing special about that. We experienced some problems in analyzing a lot of sources of information, like compiling all the tables with all these profit persons, everything. And also we had a problem with we were forced to trade on a lot of exchanges because different coins are not listed on Binance, for example, or Coinbase. They are available only on other exchanges, but they are also valuable. And you have to log in all the time to all these exchanges with two-factor authentication. It takes a lot of time. And so we decided to create a tool that will help us to spend less time on that and think only on profit, on how we can improve our strategies and how we can get better. Yeah. So it is how it is work.
Hell yeah. I like this quite a bit.
I suggest you to try how it works. Maybe you'll have a free time. You should try trailing stop because it's the best tool to get rid of your greed and start acting as a smart guy. If you want to be a really, really profitable investor and trader, of course.
Right. We've had talks about this a little bit beforehand about how I deal with things, like how I don't like to react out of fear. I like to just invest and then walk away, see how it's going, and if it's going good, then move stuff around. But with this tool here, that would guarantee my strategy.
Yeah. You actually, with your strategy, you can also use these tools like in long term. It's doesn't require you to day trade, for example. You can just, if you got some coins, you can determine the price exit level and just place a trailing stop. And you can wait for 1 month, like maybe even 2 weeks. You don't know. And if the price reaches this level, the order will be like triggered, and then if it goes upper, you will earn more money, right? So
Right.
you don't need to do anything, and your emotions are not here. Also, it's all about the like analysis and like very great tools that helps you to get higher profits. So it is what it is.
It is very cool. It's actually, I like this. This is a nifty, just kind of great service. I mean, it's a pretty obvious thing because it works, right? Like it works the way you say it's going to work, because otherwise we wouldn't be having this conversation. And I think this could be a good tool for everyone. Like, I'm sharing it
Everyone. Yeah.
now. I just send it to one of my people who, they do trading on a regular basis, because I think it's a cool tool, man. So how much is the pro version of your app?
It's around $10 per month. Yeah, and if you purchase annual, it's will be the price will be lower, right? But $10 per month is not it's not a lot actually for such a number of tools. And actually, in the basic mode, we have freemium, so the majority of features are free, so completely free. People just can use them for free without paying us anything. But there are also pro tools like trailing stop, for example, or connected orders and the listing alerts. Actually, all the things I mentioned in this conversation, they require you to have a pro subscription. But actually, the price for that is very low also, because our monetization model is focused on on providing value to people, not just earning money. And we capitalize on scale. So the more people we have, the better product is, the more we earn. So it's how it works for us.
Okay.
And I can say for sure that our competitors, their prices are twice higher than ours. And the main thing, what we do, we launched recently the Reddit voting, when anybody from the community can vote for new features, and the features that got the higher number of upvotes will be included in our roadmap. So we will place them closely to our milestone line, right? And we will implement them. So what does it mean for people? It means that if you feel that you need some a tool for analytics, or maybe you need some an exchange to add, or maybe something like this, you can just place an idea in our Telegram. Then we will rework it and we place it for the voting of the community. And if this feature is really cool and other people also need it, will be implemented in our application. So the main thing is that our application is completely community based. So we wanted to build a product that really change the industry and make it more organized and more advanced, like something similar to tools that already presented on the traditional markets, where you can get a lot of analytics, everything is properly stored, etc. For crypto, it's not in this way right now, and we wanted to create this value for people.
Gotcha. I mean, I think that if you're heavily into trading, this would be a fantastic tool. Now, we had discussed, Mr. Gleb, giving away some premium, tools to a lucky winner of a contest connected to the Crypto God podcast.
Sure. It would be a pleasure for us to share something with your community. So we are ready to give away monthly and annual subscriptions for your community. Right?
Oh, wow. So how many are we looking to do? Let's see here. Let's say we can give away 2 month subscriptions, 1 annual.
I guess we can go for 5 months and 2 annual.
Woo! There we go. So guys, to do this, now there's going to be some hoops for you guys, okay? Because we want to make sure that the winners of this contest are legitimate. So there's going to be a couple of things that you got to do to get this. Number 1, you need to like comment, and subscribe to the channel, as well as share this interview to 2 people. You got to share it to 2 people. So you can either A, share it to a Twitter, or you can share it to your Facebook. The second step is there's some very specific things you have to do. You got to go follow Good Crypto on Twitter, okay? You have to go and you have to pretty much post a screenshot of your favorite feature in Good Crypto with the hashtag Good Crypto, and then you have to sign up to the app. Once you've done those things, okay, the social medias that you need to mention will be Twitter, Telegram, the Telegram channel, Reddit. And what we'll do is we'll put all that information in the description below for you to have your opportunity to get one of your, either a chance at 2 annual subscriptions or 5 monthly. So what we'll do is we'll drop all that information in below. I believe that this is a powerful tool for your trading because it allows you to invest conservatively with a real plan. All you got to do is have enough discipline to let the system work. That's it.
I would add that also it enables you to analyze all your crypto in different wallets, and you will be like informed about any change in your portfolio immediately. So
right,
any investor can capitalize on that also.
Yeah, that's like, even if you weren't going to win, I suggest Good Crypto just because it's a powerful tool. Knowledge is power. And I always suggest things that will allow people to make better informed decisions.
Right. And it's completely free.
And it's
in basic mode.
Yeah. I mean, let's be honest. We want those premium features, though. I know I want those premium features. So with that being said, folks, you got to like, comment, and subscribe and share with all of your friends. And then you got to do the other things in order to get in there. Once you do those things, go ahead and you can either comment first or comment after and say, I want Good Crypto.
Nice.
You know what I mean? We all want some good crypto. So, Gleb, anything else before we close today, my good friend?
I wish all the listeners the best energy in this day, and also I wish them to see the market recovery in the nearest time.
You know, the market actually, Bitcoin was low back in like November like it is now, and it recovered to an all-time high by April. So it's going to recover, and it's going to go higher.
It's going to, I believe in 100K.
I believe 100K as well. I was thinking that yesterday. I was looking at the numbers and seeing how it's growing because it reached a peak at like, I think it was 68K. I think 100K is in the future for Bitcoin.
For sure.
Now, I'm not a financial advisor by any means, but I am a person that does investing, and I believe Good Crypto can help us do a better job with that.
Yeah, it will help you at least to be informed and then to make the best from your trades and investments, right?
Right. And it's not, it's not a cure for bad decisions, right? Like, if you invest into something and you've not done your research, that's not going to fix your problems. You know what I mean?
For sure.
But for the well-informed trader that is looking to diversify their portfolio and have an easier time keeping track of it, Good Crypto can help with that. So, Gleb, thank you very much for coming out, my friend.
Thank you also for hosting. It was a great time.
Yeah, it's been wonderful. Now, folks, you gotta like, comment, subscribe, as we said, and share with all your friends. Ring the bell so you get notifications on the crypto space, new projects, things that are on the ground floor. And here's the thing. Once you use Good Crypto to be able to navigate and get your currencies that are going to help you diversify your portfolio and get you in the green, the last thing you gotta do is hold all that